Well, that's okay. Welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. Today we are going to finish up the compressor. So I got this done, fired up, running, and I had one small oil leak coming from this flange. So, I don't know how well that'll show up. That flange right there, it was leaking a little bit out of that gasket with that new valve we put in, or cleaned up valve rather. So I got that separated yesterday. I'm going to cheat that, and we're just gonna brake clean that all down, clean that up, throw a dab of silicone on, and pretty much call it good. So I'll silicone that now. I'll clean it, silicone it, bolt that down, tighten that up. Then that'll wrap this thing up, I think, until, I don't know if I'm gonna start this next week, but I'm actually gonna be moving the tongue of this trailer a little bit and fab up some stuff, I think. Been looking for a trailer, pull behind blast trailer to build out, but I think I can get by doing some fab work and mounting the blast pop up front here. And then I got fittings coming for the expansion tank to help with some of the moisture removal. We'll see how much of that's gonna make the cut or when I actually dive into that. I got slammed with a bunch of heavy duty blasting stuff, more gym equipment, and then a couple more of those plows. So those are kind of in the books, and then I got a bunch more, hopefully bigger job stuff coming in for a local store in the next week or two. But I have this week to try and get this shovelhead done, which is ideal goal for today. Well, I lied. Ideal goal for the next week, not necessarily today. So I got the primary all put together now. That's sitting in the car, so I gotta grab a bunch of stuff for that. All the gaskets and parts are sitting here. We got the clutch stuff. Should start going together pretty quick, but I'm really just gonna be fixing the compressor so I can set up overnight before I fire that up tomorrow. And then I think Daddy and I are headed to the city for a small little chopper event thing. Little art gallery, small show, but we'll see. It's supposed to be a little chilly today. We'll see how that goes, but I'll try and bring you guys along. Unfortunately, I just grabbed my GoPro and the tripod mount cracked, so I think I got another one laying around somewhere. I'll try and figure something out, but bring you guys along for that. So let me get underneath the compressor. I'm not gonna do any filming because my tripod is giant and my fitting just broke off of this one. Bummer. That's where we're at. We'll update you guys when I'm all done on this, and then hopefully we'll bring you guys down to the city for a quick little tour of the show. Got a lot done up here, actually. Doesn't look like it, but got the gasket put on, siliconed that bottom piece. Should be better. You're not gonna be able to see it anyway. And then I upgraded our filter. So this one ran 1-inch piping. It still tapers down more than I like, but this is a 425 CFM or 450 CFM rated one, so it's 1.5 inch MPT going all the way through, and then I added the ball valve, so this is kicked out a little bit farther. But I've been messing around with ideas up here, staring at this trailer for a little bit. And instead of buying a trailer, I think I'm gonna start fabbing this up. That might actually happen this week if I can run out and grab some metal. Basically build a box section and move this whole tongue front section farther forward. See what we can do. I got the fittings for that. Those should be here Monday. The rest of the claw fittings should be here Monday as well. So that's it. We're gonna run home and then scoop up Dottie and probably start heading down to the city. Gotta find a tripod and make this work. A sudden change of plans. Dottie is not coming with, so talked to a couple buddies. I think I'm riding. So I gotta pull the chopper out. It's the closest one and the most recently ridden one. So that should be the best bet, I think. I don't know, hopefully my hacking weld exhaust fix works going to the city. Highways around here are not nice. We'll get this thing out of here and start jamming, I guess. Tie this off. I'll mount the GoPro up here or something. And hopefully it doesn't fall off on the ride down. Oh well. Camera's not on, so it doesn't count, but that's one kick wonder. Which tells me time to go to the city. Strap this on, I'll pull this thing back out when I get to the show.
John, that's how we rode down here with the trucker head backwards, no ear protection. I don't know, dude, I don't even know how he sits on it with balls so big. God, that was crazy.
Holy crap balls. Made it back home. It is cold. 33 degrees. Freezing my ass off. Borrowed a helmet from my brother because I didn't bring one down there. Forgot it in the rush of things, but Shovelhead made it to the city, through the city and back, and both buddies. Scrapper Dan's on his Moto Guzzi, Doug was on his Pan. Good day. I need to go in and warm up though. I think the high today was maybe 45, 46, 33 at night. Miserable. We'll catch you on the next one.